Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn about shapes.
Triangle. Triangle.
What shape are these?
These are triangles.
Circle. Circle.
What shape are these?
These are circles.
Oval. Oval.
What shape are these?
These are ovals.
Square. Square.
What shape are these?
These are squares.
Rectangle. Rectangle.
What shape are these?
These are rectangles.
Circle.
Oval.
Rectangle.
Triangle.
Square.
Heart. Heart. What shape are these?
These are hearts.
Star. Star. What shape are these?
These are stars. Arrow. Arrow.
What shape are these?
These are arrows. Cross. Cross.
What shape are these?
These are crosses.
Crescent. Crescent.
What shape are these?
These are crescents.
Crescent.
Cross.
Heart. Star.
Arrow. Diamond. Diamond.
What shape are these?
These are diamonds. Hexagon. Hexagon.
What shape are these?
These are hexagons.
Pentagon. Pentagon.
What shape are these?
These are pentagons.
Octagon. Octagon.
What shape are these?
These are octagons.
Trapezoid. Trapezoid.
What shape are these?
These are trapezoids.
Pentagon.
Hexagon.
Trapezoid.
Diamond.
Octagon.
You did a great job. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more. Thanks and goodbye.